I'm going to show you exactly how to add captions using Canva with a simple step-by-step method that helps you generate subtitles fast and customize them easily, even if you have never done this before. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account and click Create on the left panel, then choose Videos. At the top, you will see a Quick Actions section. Click the option for Captions. You will then be redirected to a page where you need to upload the video you want to use for captions. Click Upload and select your video. Once the upload is complete, click on the video and it will open inside the Canva video editor with a tab for generating captions. To generate the captions, simply click the Generate button and Canva will start creating the captions automatically. Once finished, the captions will appear on the video as an overlay. Keep in mind that the captions will not appear in the timeline. If you want to change the color style or any other settings, double-click the captions and customize them using the floating toolbar. Once you are done, click Share and then click Download. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have successfully added captions to your video using Canva. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials, hit like, leave a comment, and I will share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.